Okay, now that you've tried out a couple problems, now you need to go ahead and look at recursive equations for arithmetic and geometric. I slightly gave you this, but we have these two pieces. The arithmetic sequences in the recursive format is a of n equals a of n minus 1, which is my prior term, plus my common difference. So in that example I had you guys do on your own, it was minus 7. So you'd be subtracting 7 each time you look at the prior output. Now for a geometric, it's r times a of n minus 1, where r is your common ratio. So you'll be multiplying your output each time. You guys have always done this and not really necessarily been aware that you were doing it. But when you filled out tables, you would just follow along with the rule. But now we're giving you a way to write it where we're just looking at what we're starting with and what we're going by each time. All right, so make sure you have both of these down in your notes. We're going to get into doing some examples of writing these recursive rules based off of the terms.